Yes, people. What is the role of the Department of Forestry as it relates to snakes and the snake population? Because when you listen to the forestry people talk as it relates to snakes, the only thing they will tell the people is not to kill the snakes. That's the only thing you'll hear from them. But there's much that has to be done. There's a lot of work that has to be done in the population as it relates to snakes. There are a lot of myths that the people entertain, and there are a lot of unfounded fears as it relates to snakes. And it is very important that the forestry people conduct workshops in different communities, telling the people about how to interact, how to behave when they see snakes in their farms and in different places like that. Because there are a lot of myths concerning snakes and the behavior of snakes that need to be clarified by experts. And so people are just left to their own devices as it relates to those things. We need to have people in the different communities that one can call should there be a sighting. These things are very important in the population. There are too many misconceptions about snakes. And the thing is, at this point, we need to learn to coexist with these animals. I remember a long time ago, when we were children, there was a season and a time when people used to come to the police station with the snake head, and they were getting paid. I think it must have been an effort to control the snake population. And I can tell you unequivocally at this point, we have reached this juncture where we need to control the population of the snakes. We're not talking about eradicating snakes, but we need now to control the population. And perhaps we need to engage in that same program that they used to engage in decades ago, where you would have had the people bring the snakehead to a location and they would have been paid based on that. But the time has come. We need to control the snake population in the land, and also we need to educate the people properly about the behavior of snakes, how to protect yourself and things like that. Keep the fire burning, because right now you still have people believing that if a snake bites them, they should just put their mouth, cut the area and put their mouth and suck the blood out. There's much teaching that the forestry people have to be doing, because there's a lot of myths. People still believe in those things that are harmful to them as it relates to dealing with snakes. But I wait on the forestry people to act upon those things. Keep the fire burning.